Hey, so welcome back to the channel. I thought I'd show you what we have today is going on. Start off with a Country Pro chipper. Fuel tank was full of water. Rust coming out the spark plug hole, and it's a seized. We thought maybe in the back impellers they were rusted up a bit, but that engine might be toast. This John Deere we picked up yesterday on the river. It's in for a service. That shouldn't be too bad. Get that back. We got this Husky. And what I was thinking on this is a lot of times, just for so you know, if this lever is left in the lock position like that, you will not be able to turn that over. So that's just something to keep in mind as a shop. But same deal. Nothing. And a 725cc Magnum. Bad boy, not running. Claude and Connor are checking for spark. This is the Toro time cutter that come with a blade off from it. I guess that's the only issue it has. Why not? Why somebody couldn't put a blade back on? And then this one here said electrical issues, but it's a choke issue. So we're going to get these all off the machine, off the trailer, and go from there.
Without the extension on there, but try it with the extension. Oh yeah, they're on an angle. Oh, you ain't get the right side. You need the 5/8. The one that has the, that's 11/16. Yeah, that'd be the first one you had there. It takes a wrench on the end. Oh yeah, it's got 25 hours on it. Pull them both out, crank it, and put the new ones in.
Do they have to be gaffed or they
Nope, they're good to go.
Great.
Right, drop. Yeah, no, the other people got make less of a mess here. Now we'll crank her until we get.
You ready?
Yep. Evaporating on my hand.
Don't want to get the starter too hot is all.
Yeah, I don't want to burn it off. But that son of a bitch right now has no gas in it. Should start if we put carb cleaner in it. Look at all. It's going direct to the engine. Let's try it, see if she fires.
All right?
Yep. Check the spark again, because It ain't fucking hard. Bitch. Should be alright.
It's got oil, so it's not a low engine oil shutdown. Mark tester in.
Oh, like that.
Yes.
No, but I gotta get this carburetor back together. We got a fucking pipe here that's off.
Ready?
No spark. Alright, sit on that seat.
Ooh.
I told you, when the boots get slippery and you slide on shit.
Yep.
Right finger now, right?